Hey math lovers, it's Amber here again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Today's lesson is going to be about adding and subtracting fractions. Now the most important thing to remember when you want to add and subtract fractions is that the denominators have to be the same. So how do you make the denominators the same? Well, you find what's called the least common multiple. That's the smallest number that both of your denominators can fit into. Let's look at an example to see how it works. Say we want to add 1/4 plus 5/6. The first thing I notice is 4 and 6 are not the same. So I have to think, well, what do both 4 and 6 fit into? Most people might say 24, which is true. And you could use 24. However, it's not the smallest value that both 4 and 6 fit into. And using the smallest value or the least common denominator will only make your work easier. So let's count by 4s and count by 6s and see what's actually the smallest number they both fit into. Can you think about it? Well, 4, 8, 12, 16, and then we have 6, 12, 8, oh, there it is, 12. So both of those numbers can fit into 12. Now we're going to change each denominator by multiplying so that they are the same. Notice that 4 times 3 makes 12, and 6 times 2 makes 12. That means I'm going to multiply the first fraction's numerator and denominator by 3. So multiplying 1/4 by 3/3 is going to make 3/12. The second fraction, 5/6, then has to get multiplied by 2/2. That will turn it into 10/12. Notice now both our denominators are the same. Now all we have to do is add the fractions. 3 plus 10 is 13. The denominator will stay the same. That gives us 13/12. That answer can't be simplified, so it stays just like that. You can make it a mixed number if you like, which would be 1 and 1/12, but both answers are fine. If you were subtracting fractions, the process would be the exact same. The only difference is you would subtract your numerators instead of adding them. Hope that helps you to add and subtract some fractions. Don't forget to watch the wrap to reinforce this idea. See you next time.